Alright, so hopefully the camera doesn't fall off while I'm riding. You guys can't see this, but one of the clips that connects the action camera mount to my helmet broke off literally as I was putting this on. It's right there. So I have to go get a new one this weekend because, well, I work on Monday. I'm taking the bike out, and the bike's and this is and the action cam is going to be basically be my dash cam. So, anyways, hey, what's up, guys? Hope you guys have an amazing time. It's your boy Jay, the Moto Marauder, back again with another video. We're in a heat wave. We are in a heat wave, like I said before in my previous vlog, and traffic's backed up behind us because this Mercedes wants to go like half the speed limit. But anyways, we're out and about. It's a hot day. I woke up late, and what better way to cool down than just taking the bike out for a spin? Even with the windshield, it's still cool. So it's nice. It's nice. Hopefully this guy actually goes faster. It's a family, so I guess they're going the speed limit. I shouldn't complain too much. Today's topic is going to be like surviving a heat wave when you're riding, because for example, on Monday, which is tomorrow, I'm going to be commuting to the office in this heat wave. It's going about 35 to 40 degrees Celsius. I don't know how much that's in American, but it's hot. Now, given that it's going to be hot, I'm still going to be on the highway, so I'm still going to be going at high speed, so that'll be some grace that I'll be able to stay cool a little bit. I'm worried about the bike overheating though. I don't know how it's going to handle the heat, so that's going to be a whole new experience. But going in off, I'm fine sweating and all that, but like I don't want to sweat like when I'm going to the office, because then I'm like completely it's like not nice, you know, like walking to the office, you're in your office clothes and you're just covered in sweat. It's not nice, man. So there's a couple things I want to try and do to like stay cool and not sweat as much. There we go. That's honestly real weird. I felt like the clutch didn't even like kick in and was in second. Anyways, yeah, try to stay cool. Okay, number one is switching out the leathers for perforated gear. Now I'm gonna still wear the leather gloves I have from Raven Moto, because they're honestly, now that they're broken in, they're like my best pair that I have. So I'm going to continue to wear these. They have awesome airflow, so I don't think it's going to be too much of a hassle on my hands. The main thing is my chest and my body. Pants, I'm still going to be wearing my jeans. The riding pants aren't really business casual, so I might try picking up some NBT or some Raven Moto like riding jeans with the armor in them, but we'll see about that. I honestly don't know, because it's only 2 days a week for now, so if I can get by with the jeans like that I already have, that's going to be perfectly fine. I don't really need to go out and purchase expensive riding jeans. So jeans is gonna be probably my denims. Shoes, probably casual shoes, but as long as they're mids and they cover up my ankles, should be fine. I'm gonna probably save up for some riding shoes that look business casual, that look like sneakers or whatever. Wear those. But this isn't about like business casual clothing for the office. This is heatwave stuff. Okay, jackets, switch out the leather for perforated. The leather pants, probably go for denim. Wear layers, wear thermal layers, like not thermal, like the heat resistant layers. I know we all like to wear black, probably not wear black. Black absorbs heat. Besides reflecting heat, it'll also like keep you cool and make you stand out more. That's one of the reasons why they say in the riding schools and stuff, if you're going to get a helmet, get a white helmet. That's the most visible one you can get. Most people pay attention to that more than like a black helmet or red helmet or something like that. It just stands out more. What's up with my clutch? Besides clothing, make sure you stay hydrated, well fed. When you're riding, you can't tell, but you're burning a lot of calories, you're sweating, and the sweating will get you dehydrated. So every, I don't know, like hour, 2 hours of riding, depending on the heat and your own like personal health, take a little break, pull over to the gas station, fuel up, take a little break, have some water, have a snack, and fuel up the bike and fuel yourself up and assess the situation, like how far more you want to go in this heat, if you're able to push it a little bit more or not. It all depends on you. There's also that. And also, lastly, if it's like too hot, like very hot, you have nowhere to go, you just want to go for a quick little spin, just take a quick little spin and come back. Stay cool, stay out of the heat, you get a heat stroke and stuff like that. Unless you absolutely need to go, and stay indoors. Even in hot weather, don't be a squid. You'll regret it. Asphalt and gravel is painful enough, but you don't need burning asphalt and gravel. That's just adding on to the pain, like so much more. There's no need to do that. Just stay safe, ride safe, and enjoy the weather, okay? Wear your gear. Don't wear too warm of a layer. Like for example, this perforated jacket of mine. I got it for like 80 bucks on Amazon. Still, I had it for like 2 years. I still use it. It keeps me cool. It keeps me cool enough. Keeps me cool enough that I honestly haven't had a need to pick up another jacket in a while. Like I want to. It's always nice to get new gear, but when you don't need to, you don't need to. And yeah, that's today's video on staying cool in the warm weather. You probably hear this in every single video, but this isn't my video, so hey, welcome guys. Thank you all for watching until the end. So if you guys are new here, consider subscribing, hitting the like button. I have tons of videos on the Marauder, on the motorcycle. If you look for motorcycle content, if you're looking for BMW content, I have a ton of that too. I have a bit of F-150 content. I pretty much stopped making videos on Old Blue for now. Probably not going to for a while. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Thank you all for watching. It's your boy Jay, the Motor Marauder, signing out, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.